Dang, it's so bright outside. Crazy sun. Good thing I have my sunglasses on. Hang Ty. We have to shovel the sidewalk. So we suited up. Gonna shovel out some snow. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning.
There's my root beer.
We left our drinks out here also. This is before. You'll see an after shot. Breaking news, breaking news!
Found a gator. Right here.
Found one right there.
Right here.
That's definitely the one I drank last night.
Yep. A little bit of drinking.
Yeah, throw it.
Made that work.
Make it more cold. Got it.
Forget about it later.
Yeah, find it later.
Where?
After.
In the car.
So tired now. We helped out our neighbors, did their driveway also. Took a break trying to find our drinks that are in the yard because we're pretty thirsty. Ty found a Gatorade, that's all we could find so far. Trying to dig out our car. The driveway. Found one of God's creatures frozen. A fly. Buried.
It's the first time I've ever caught a fly before.
Get it. Watch out.
Shit.
Oh, dang. Here we go. Eat it. So yesterday, didn't show you, but we built a cave. What's up? Ty, go through this.
It's a lot narrower.
Just squeeze. Suck in your stomach. Nice. Nice. What did you find?
A&W root beer.
Is it cold?
It's delicious. Have a sip.
Alright, so we're done. We're done for right now. We'll be out later. Anything you guys want to say?
I made a snow slushy with root beer.
Root beer snow slushy was delicious.
Great success.
Alright, we're going in now. It's the wrong way, Ty. Alright, we're here. We're outside again. Special guest, Pops. Pops in the car. Gonna go head over to Jared's. They're gonna do some Christmas tree.
Everybody coming, Tyler?
They're gonna do some Christmas tree sales for Boy Scouts. Heading over to visit Jared and Misha. Just got dropped off at the street. Have to walk the rest of the way to Jared's. Streets aren't that bad. Streets are fine. Wait a minute. Found my initials. Bam. CI on this car. Got 'em. This is a car. I didn't even know. Oh my god, they're not getting out. Finally made it. Look who I found.
Look who else he found. A girl. A guy dog.
A chili dog.
Chili dog in a wonderful pink fleece.
What's up, Chili? And Mr. McGrath all the way down there.
Dad, give a hoorah to the camera.
There he is. Oh, Chili dog. You're so cute.
Listen.
I'm trying to get Misha to come out. This is Jared talking to Misha.
When a man and a woman love each other. Wait, what are we talking about? If you don't come sledding right now, the world's going to end. Blitzen will not have the correct 3G network coverage that he needs to fly the sleigh. Come on, man. You need
This
to
is a
come
real
sledding.
conversation.
It's working.
It's working, it's working.
It's working.
Getting up.
Listen, son, you need to come sledding. This is my ultimatum. Take it or leave it.
Do you see this crop circle? I've never seen a snow circle before.
Yeah, there's your husky.
Siberian? Do not tease me. There's a Siberian husky there.
Don't eat yellow snow.
Alright,
It's gonna hurt really bad.
It's not gonna hurt. Alright, hold on, let's record this. Go. Bend your knees! Bend your knees! Here it is. Going down. Oh! I can't stop! I can't stop! I can't stop! Yeah. I made it. What's up? We're linked up.
Not in marriage, but in sled.
No homo. Alright.
Yet.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh.
Just like our marriage. He always ruins it.
This is not gonna be good. Oh. You can write this expression right on his face.
Oh.
I just got so much snow up my ass.
Alright, so I'm on this one, but bam! Gonna videotape Jared going down while I go down also.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh no! You just gotta figure it out. What are you doing?
Sorry, snow's getting to me.
Yeah, I'm going backwards. Where'd Jared go? Oh. I just sledded backwards. Just in my pants. Not only is Jared gonna complete this, he's gonna flip and then land back on the board after.
That's not gonna happen.
Alright, we'll Photoshop it.
What's that?
It's a snow. It's a fossil. I found a fossil. State Farm, I think it says. Great day of sledding. Now we're going just to relax. Look what I found. Look what I found. Look at this picture of Jared. Stop staring at me, Legolas. You're so beautiful. Okay, done with Jared's. Couldn't say bye.
But now.
Okay. But guess who we got? Guess who we got right here? Bam!
What up?
Can't see me in the dark.
$2. Can't see any of them.
Bam.
Bam! We'll see more of them soon.
Well, I heard.
Okay, bam! We're here. Guess where we're at?
Well, I heard.
And Lisa Lise.
What up?
Well, this place was good. So
Hero Sushi, but bam!
got 'em.
Yes, sir. From Jared's to Hero Sushi. With Lisa Lise.
From here sushi to my stomach.
Alright. Yo, this is a crazy day. Okay, time to eat.
Do that all the time.
You really just do that?
You do that all the time.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Yeah. What are you doing? Like, dang. Okay, Kenneth Cole. Ray, wait, turn around. That's a bug. That's not Ray. That's not Ray. It's a bug. Look who we found.
Tonight,
Him in his videos. Next thing you know, you're gonna be on YouTube. You're famous.
She's not gonna be famous. She's not gonna be famous.
Gonna be famous.
Turn it. Is it working?
yeah.
Oh, I wonder how long it is. Let's just stay. Don't move. Alright, we're done for today. Blizzard Day 2. Saying bye to Ray. He's going to the Philippines.
Alright, homie.
Alright, you'll have fun in the Philippines.
I will.
You know.
I'll see you later.
Alright, have fun, Ray. Hit me up. I'll
Alright,
talk to you
I will.
online or something.
Alright, cool.
Lise, I'm
Sounds
coming
good.
on your side. Alright, end of day 2. Saying bye to Lise. Hugs, hugs, hugs. I'll see you soon.
Definitely.
Alright, take care, guys. Peace, guys. We're done. Went to the mall, had fun. Oh, slippery, damn. Had some sushi, went to the mall. Oh, slippery. Good day. Good day, too. Hung out with Jared. Saw everybody. Back home. Peace.